Hello guys, it's Sir Andy again and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the topics in Mathematics 10 and that is illustrating geometric sequence. I have here an example number 1. So from the sequence given we have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. So first we need to do is to multiply a constant from our first term to get a product which is equal to our second term. So what would it be? So all we need to do, it is obvious now. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So let's try it again to the next two terms. So what we need to multiply to 4 to get the value of 8. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And then next we have 8 multiplied again by 2 has a product of 16. And then for the last two terms, we have 16 multiplied by 2 is equal to 32. So as you can see in our example, we got the same constant multiplied to the first term, second, third, fourth, and so on. So that means that constant is a common ratio. So from our definition of geometric sequence, if there is a common ratio in a given sequence, it is said to be a geometric sequence. Okay, let's try another example. Let's take example number 2. The given sequence is 81, 27, 9, 3, 1, and so on. So let's take the first two terms. That is 81 and 27. So what do we need to do now to get the value of 27? So since our number is starting from a bigger number going to the lower number, so we need to divide instead of multiplying a number. So what are we going to divide to 81 to get a value of 27? So in this case, since we are looking for a common ratio, we need to multiply a number. And since we need to divide, so therefore we have a common ratio which is equal to a fraction. So all we need to do is to multiply first by 1 and then divide it to the constant number that we need to divide. Okay, so let's start with multiplying it to 1/3. Okay, let's try. 81 multiplied by 1 is 81 divided by 3 is equal to 27. So therefore, it is correct. So let's try the second one, the next set of two terms, which is 27 and 9. Let's try again this constant which we multiplied a while ago, and that is 1/3. 27 times 1/3 is again equals 9. And then let's try again to 9 and 3. So let's multiply. 9 times 1/3 is equal to 3 again. And then for the last one, we have 3 times 1 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So therefore, in our example number 2, we have a constant which is called as common ratio. And therefore, this given sequence is an example of geometric sequence. So let's try again another example. Example number 3. So this is the given sequence. 2, 8, 32, 64, 256, and so on. So let's take a look at the first two terms, and that is 2 and 8. Okay, what we need to multiply to get the value of 8, since this is an increasing number. So we are sure that the constant we need to multiply is a whole number. So it is obvious 2 will be multiplied by 4 to get the value of 8. And then, next one, we have 8 multiplied again by 4. We got a product of 32. And then, how about this one? What will be the constant? 32 multiplied by a constant equals 64. What is that? It's only 2. So 32 times 2 is equal to 64. So we got different constant other than 4. So let's try the last one. 64 multiplied by a constant to get the value of the 256. What will be that value? That is again times 4. So as you notice, class, in our example, we have a constant 4 and another constant which is 2. So the constant are not common. So therefore, there is no common ratio. If that happens, class, we can say that this given sequence is not a geometric sequence. So I hope you have learned so much from this video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.